Hey, fellow mathers! Before we get into this episode, we want to share with you how you can get access to free content, professional learning that will keep your students engaged and doing the math that matters. Get ready to go to this link, mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge.
That's right. Registration is open for the free Math is Figureoutable Challenge that's starting May 15th and runs to the 17th at 7 p.m. Central. We're going to have 3 nights jam-packed with learning and routines that you can take straight to your classroom.
In these challenges, we have a great time. We do some math, talk about classroom experiences, give away super cool bonuses and prizes. You won't just walk away with routines that are naturally engaging and encourage your students to think mathematically. You'll also have a chance to win over $6,000 worth in prizes, including a few virtual PD sessions for your school. I'll be joined by my wonderful co-host Kim and special guest Jenna Labe.
You can register at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge for a fantastic learning experience. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. Now on to the show.
Hey, fellow mathematicians, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam.
And I'm Kim.
And this is a Math Strat Chat episode where we throw out a math problem on social media every Wednesday, and then we chat about how people solve it all around the world. We love seeing everyone's thinking.
So this past Wednesday, our math problem was 74 times 16. How did you solve this problem? Or if you haven't solved it yet, pause the podcast, solve the problem any way you want. The problem was 74 times 16. Solve it, and then come on back to hear how we're going to solve it.
Bam. All right, I'm going to go first today because I got to be honest with you, I'm not thrilled with how I'm thinking about this, but I'm going to do it anyway and see if I can make sense of it. So I like thinking about 16 times things as 15 times that thing. I'm not sure it's the best way to go, but I'm gonna see what I think. So I'm gonna say I'm thinking about 16 74s. So I'm gonna think about 10 74s. That's 740. So 5 74s would be half of that. I have to think about half of 740. That'd be 350, and 20 is 370. So far I've got 10 of them and 5 of them. So I'm going to add those together to get 15. So I'm going to add 700 and 300 to get 1,000, and 40 and 70 to get 110. So that's 1,110. I'm only at 15 of them, but that's all right. I've got 15 74s is 1,110. So I need one more 74. Oh, that's pretty slick. Once I have 1,110 plus 74, that's 1,184.
Nice.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, what were you thinking about?
You know what? You made me think about the commutative property there, and I don't.
Oh.
How often do I do that? Do I think about that a lot? I suppose I do, but I'm not. I like.
You mean how I thought about 1674s instead of 7416s?
Yeah. I suspect I do. It was nice
so
to get something different.
So are you going to think about 7416s this time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm going to think about 3/4 of 16. So if it were 75 times 16, then I could think about 3/4 of 16, which is 12. So 3/4 of 16 is 12, which means then 75 times 16 would be 1,200.
Nice. Yeah.
But that would be 75 times 16. And I only need 74 16s. So I need one less 16. And I really do love when it's a problem like 1,200 minus something, 1,200 minus 16, because then I know it's just 1,184.
Did you just use the partner of 100?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. And I don't know, on that 16, I would actually probably just back 10, back 6, though I could have used the partner. I could have. Yeah.
Very cool.
I like your strategy better for that one. That was nice. So that's part of the point. You're welcome. That's part of the point is that we can play with things and try things and then find the one that for that day slides the easiest. And when we own more relationships and we have that possibility and we're building our brains to reason more and more mathematically, sophisticatedly. And that is the point of mathematizing and math education.
Yeah. Well, and sometimes it has everything to do with what you're rattling around in your head in that day, right?
Absolutely.
I think we say that. We say that pretty often.
Yep.
All right. So we can't wait to see what your strategy is. I wonder if it was like one of ours or something entirely different. Show us something new. Represent your thinking. Take a picture of your work. or screenshot your phone and tell the world on social media. And while you're there, please check out what other people did and comment on their thinking.
Yeah, it's so much fun to read. And tag
Yeah.
me on Twitter at PW Harris, Instagram, Pam Harris _math, and on Facebook, Math is Figure Outable. And make sure you use the hashtag MathStratChat. And check out the next Math Strat Chat problem that we'll post every Wednesday around 7 p.m. Central Time. And then hop back here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. We love having you as part of the Math is Figure Outable movement. Let's keep spreading the word that math is figure outable. Thank you for listening and making math more figure outable.
To learn even more, make sure you register for our free challenge at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. You are not going to want to miss the evenings of May 15th through 17th, starting at 7 p.m. Central.
Math teaching, go register now. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. Join us to make math more and more figure outable. And if you can't join live, register and we'll send you access to the recordings. We'll see you there.